It has been a while since I attended red carpet premiere or movie premiere kasi medyo mapili talaga ako pagdating sa mga panonoodin kong movies. But when BDO invited me to watch the premiere of the movie Meet, Greet, and Vice, wherein two of their ambassadors are main casts of the movie, Bel Mariano and Piolo Pascual. Syempre, sino ba naman ako para tumanggi, diba? Kasi alam ko, when it is endorsed or sponsored or supported by BDO, it is of good quality. Super enjoy naman kami habang naghihintay na mag-start yung movie kasi talaga namang star-studded yung red carpet premiere. P-pop groups like Rive and BGYO were present. Of course, andun din ang ilang executives ng ABS-CBN at ilang mga kilalang personalities like Moy Bien na dating PA ni Piolo Pascual, award-winning songwriter and producer Jonathan Manal. At talaga namang nagkagulo ang mga fans nang biglang sumulpot sa red carpet si Ponggay Maris Racal. Present din si Robbie Jaworski, isa sa mga casts ng movie. Magician Jeffrey Tam. Halos sabay namang dumating si Kauri Oinuma and KD Estrada. Kauri is also part of the movie. Ex-PBB collab housemate River Joseph was also there. Content creator Christian Anulin. Of course, hindi mawawala ang on-screen partner ni Bel Mariano na si Donnie Pangilinan. Kasabay niyang dumating ang kanyang kaibigan at co-actor sa upcoming series na Roja, Kyle Echari. And finally, dumating na din ang main cast, The Facundos, sa pangunguna ni Miss Maricel Soriano, with of course, Piolo Pascual, Bel Mariano, JK Labajo, and Joshua Garcia. Hindi dito natapos ang sorpresa kasi dumating din sila Robbie Domingo, and of course, mawawala ba ang apple of the eye ni JK Labajo na si Dia Mate? At syempre, nagulat ang lahat kasi dumating ang power couple na sila Ding Dong Dantes and Marian Rivera. Lalong nadagdagan ng excitement ng mga fans sa pagdating ni Meme Vice Ganda na mag-isang naglakad sa red carpet. Obviously, sobrang excited na ang lahat na mapanood ang pinakahihintay at napakagandang family movie of the year, Meet, Greet, and Buy. Pero syempre, bago magsimula ang movie, BDO ambassadors Bel Mariano and Piolo Pascual were invited para magbigay ng mensahe para sa kanilang mga fans.
How much loyal this brand is, and it's vice versa. I'm just really happy because of the support they've been giving all through these years. Kaya kasama ko na si Melinda. Nagpapagaling sa pelikula, nandun po sa kabila yung mga kasama namin.
What I love about this film, it really gives so much importance to the people we love. And that doesn't necessarily mean kailangan bloodline kayo. Family could be anyone. And I do believe that each and every one of us here can relate to this film because it talks so much about love. And love is a